Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I decided to do this Kylie Jenner inspired Met Gala look, hair and makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, achieve this, all of this, just keep watching. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. FYI, I don't know if I like this makeup. Whenever I do something outside of my comfort zone, it makes me feel weird. Like, I feel like I look so different. It's, yeah. But let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. First, I'm priming my eyes with this LA Girl Pro primer. This is so bomb. Like, when I tell you my eyeshadow looks have not been it lately, and like this is a primer I've been had, and I just started using it again because I have not bought a new one, and it's really it. And then I'm going to tap that in. You literally can just tap right on top of it. Like, the consistency is perfect. Like, it's not too dry and not too creamy. It's like right in the middle. The look that she did was very simple. Of course, like, I made it a little extra, but I just had to put my twist to it so that I will actually really love this look. I look crazy right now, but trust the process. Trust it. I'm using the brown in this Zulu palette, if you guys can see it right here. Taking that on my Sigma I always get confused, E38 brush. This is like the shorter one. The Sigma E40 is also really popular, but that one, like, it's literally just a little longer. I like this one because, like, it's shorter, so it creates more density in the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to switch palettes. In the Douse palette by Juvia's Place, it's this top middle one right here. Like I said, mine are ruined, so I have to be very careful. And I'm just going to tap this very carefully onto my lid. And then I'm gonna take this like pointed bullet brush and go back in the crease. And then I'm gonna do my wing liner off camera just because I have to create like the inner wing, and I really need to be close, so I'll be back. And these lashes, a lash, okay? These are from Mink by Wink on Instagram. Her lash styles are super bomb, and they're like $9. And this is the style XO, and I love it so much. This might be my favorite style. In the shade 356, which is Warm Coconut. And I've been so lazy lately, so I've been using a beauty blender because I don't want to clean my brushes. My concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind and Caramel, and I let it like sit under my eye for like 3 minutes first. Jenner, her nose does look contoured, so we are contouring. Like, it ain't like super snatch, but you can definitely see like the definition like closer in the eyebrow area. You can tell that there's color on her cheeks, so I will add blush. I'm using my moRphe blush palette. Bottom of her eye does not look smoky at all. Like, it looks like it is like a little bit in the inner corner. Could probably complete like that cat eye look. So I'm gonna like smudge a little brown eyeshadow at the bottom. So her lip looks like it's matte and it's mauve-ish. But we're gonna do the best we can. And I have these two moRphe shades that I'm going to mix to see. So now we are going to do my hair, and she literally had, it's so crazy that she had this exact hairstyle. So that's why, like, I was like, oh yeah, we're doing that. And this hair is from Julia's Hair. It's so bomb. These were 613 bundles that I colored. So if you did not see that video, make sure you go check it out. I will leave it somewhere, maybe down below in the cards, somewhere.